So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year.
And his son, look at my head. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You know it's All Natural Candice here again. So today I'm going to be going on the road. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So I'm all excited because mega good. It has been 2 days, now at 3 days. I'm still a video post. So hope I get copyright. Wait there guys. Me I go get a taxi. We go Spanish Town. I'm going to collect a package. Then me I go buy some other something. Then me I go do. Me I go poke. Me I go collect a next package from a next company. So a 2 package me I collect today, and me I go do a deposit and come back home because I have a class at 2:30. I hope say that class to keep because majority of the time sometimes it don't keep. But I hope say keep. Guys, today I did a prize giving, waste of time. By the way, I got one of my wish from the wish list, and as you can see, it's my name on it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get that early Christmas present. So let's just come up with the present. Let me see me. Yes, guys. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and watch the ads because girl need the cash. But guys, I'm gonna keep on in touch with whatever is going on today. So yeah, guys, my brother told me say he want to top up. Him give me the money for top up. Tell me say I don't want it. I don't get vexed and all of that. But me I top him up. Maybe when him not using tablet and still get him reaction when him start go up on the game, because he go up on the game 24/7. So I'm gonna tap him up and see how him gonna react. Him gonna jump up and go on because him well want the elite pass to Free Fire. If you don't know, my brother love play Free Fire. So him well want the elite pass. So I'm gonna tap him up and then here I can see if we can get him reaction. Hopefully, because him do like when we video him. So yeah. Okay, so right now, you know, we are going on the road, we are past car, we are past bush. As you don't know, so they don't live a bush. I must have said that. So we just passed Zozo, and now we're just on our way to Spanish Town. So right now we're going to be passing Garbally Drive. Yes, our man riding bicycle, you see it, yeah, Garbally right there. Passing bush again, and we're going on and we're chatting. So just enjoy the video, guys. Remember to like the video so we can go up on the algorithm, you see me, so other people can see the video or showing a recommended and all those good things. As me telling you, watch good, watch everything. So right now my day at the 18, you see me. Don't put over money. You put over money. Don't put over money. So right now we're done with transaction. Right now we're in LOJ Plaza, and me I show you how them put up them Christmas tree. Them always do, them always fix up over there, and people they all over them look at shopping and I talk with them friend, meet and greet and all of that. So we're just walking inside here because outside the sun is really hot. So we're going to the shipping company, the first shipping company and thing. So that's that. Right now I'm in one taxi. So my card
engage mask, please. Please ask passengers to engage their mask.
So they can come buy breadfruit or so. We're about to leave because the taxi load. So right now we're leaving Spanish Town, get a breadfruit right at the front, you see me? So the taxi I try to drive out, but other car they say no, say I for wait, you see me, because he can't crash with me, no, he can't crash with me because him insurance have a talk, because if nothing I do me, my back broke, my hand broke, everything. So right now we're driving out. Yes, the lady has a large juice, I can buy a juice if you're thirsty. Yeah, there is a bar right there, there is a Panda Ends restaurant right there. So says the people I go about them business, everybody do them daily thing. Now we're passing the Oasis. The Oasis, so you have tasties right there, so you have a bag of place in there, so you have Court, you have Scotia, that's where I come from. The Oasis right there, so you have the best KFC in Jamaica, Spanish Town KFC, may I tell you. Even though KFC thief now, you know, but yeah, that's the best KFC. Right now we just Oasis this still but at the back part. So we're just moving. Now we're up on the bypass. We are slow down because the stoplight says stop. and blessed people still on the road trying to get to their daily whereabouts. So that's that. So a lady there, she always out there, you know. If you see her, you can get her 50, you can get her 100, anything we want. So the light upon red, so you know we have to stop. Cause we don't want police to get a ticket, cause I need to get where me and go because I got a class 2-4. As I was saying, I have a class 240. So yeah, so the light look like it go up on green now. Yeah, so the car them in front of we are move as soon our time for move. So we are move now. We're on the bypass now. So you see we are on the bypass. Look the earth, you know, see a funeral look on the light them. Once you see a 4-way light and you see a earth, you know, see a funeral. The funeral look big door. Anyways, guys, we are past truck, we are past bush, we are past car, everything. So tell me what y'all doing for this Christmas, because I'm not doing anything. I just do vlog, and I post a back a video for you, because I know some the woman now, nothing and want something for watch. So I'm here for help you out. Right now, we're up on the bridge over there, so I believe it's Bernal Lodge. Yeah, and you can't see good, but over there, so Bernal Lodge, you see me? So that's that. Bernal Lodge full of bush. Bernal Lodge always full of bush. Don't drive on the road there, you can mash up a car. You see me? I don't know what the road name, but we almost there Clifton. So you know we just a drive past bush. As I tell you, bush residency. Alright, watch out now, we are past Clifton right now. The actual name is Clifton, but Jamaican, you know, you get a little name feet. Ton and tin, they far from each other. So I have people over there, so them look at them away on a taxi, and you know a bush again. So we are past the driver, they think say somebody for come out, but them never they come out there. So them come out for Amsterdam. I could have shown you the cow, them are the cow or ass. Me don't know them different, but yeah, because me they on the other side. So that's that. Now we are past Caribbean Estate. Yeah, my friend live over there, so when I watch this girl, they pass a yard. Anyways. They're at Sabrin and them look Christmas so me I show them. We just pass some up there so, but them have them look good, you know? Them have pepper light too, and at night it looks really good. So we're at Sabrin. Anyway, Sunshine Outlet Mall, Sabrin Village. Yeah, I'm going to my Kite Express to, you know, get my thing. Why me I use two shipping company? I was just trying out SIA Logistics and I really love them, and they're fairly new. So yeah, me I use the two of them same because my Kite Express good too, just more expensive than SIA Logistics, but yeah. Island I welcome to South Yard them. I'm not say can't see. So right now somebody there in my Kite Express. Anytime I go here, nobody waiting here. So I'm gonna go over there right now. My package. I have one in my bag. My sweating say it could have hold everything, but it could hold everything. Bomba! Them a big Christmas tree. Let me show you what's going on. So this is the arena part. Arena? Yeah. Now showing Resident Evil. Look at Christmas tree. Watch my phone and the bad lighting. Look at Christmas tree. 7 of our things. Can I get one bag to put this in? So yeah, hope them sell bag over there. Guys, I go around the place and them never have no bag, so I force them down in my bag right now. I can't go in my bag. If I go in my bag, I can't fix it back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy Popeyes. I buy Popeyes to me and my brother. No, for me alone. I don't get none. So when I watch this, they're going to say, can you still think about it? But you know about it. No, you're not getting one, so I'm going to do that, and that's it, not more. Well, I don't know, but not for now. So catch you back when maybe I'm in there, or just when I'm done. But guys, I feel like that vlog is long enough. So Vlogmas day 3 definitely completed. Day 3 this? Yeah, this is day 3, and me going good, definitely. So that's it. I want to buy something here, but I never remember. I did think I forgot Wendy's, but I say No, I'm buy for me and my brother. Definitely when I buy, I know some I go to when this is a wrap. Because them wrap bad. But me I go Popeyes and buy something. Yeah. So catch you back when I'm done. Serving is empty. Better do some for go upstairs and look at me see one game place. But me don't see TJ. Cause I want to go on virtual place something. Because I have a line. Tutti Frutti look like so them closed down over here. Like what? Are you crazy? So I'm going to stand up in the line right now. We are open to get through very quick. How to shell this down. Hey guys. Vlogmas Day 2 is out. So only need to go check that out right now because it's actually nice. Like I never expected the video so nice. Yeah. So no one brother gone out of the work. I don't know when to tap it. I want to tap it up. So I'm going to get me campaign. Why you passing? What? Me tap you up with you. What you gonna do? Together. So guys, I did not make an intro. I'm almost done edit the video for Vlogmas Day 3. So make sure to you check that out. Vlogmas Day 2 is out and running. So make sure to you check that out. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and watch everything. Vlogmas 3 completed and I'm out.